Hi, my name is Zenon, and I'm with my Tita Sheila.
Thanks, Zenon. Today, we're going to learn about the immediate family members in Bisaya. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Family, pamilya.
Pamilya,
Parents, ginikanan.
ginikanan,
Child, anak.
anak,
Mother or mom, mama.
mama,
Or nanay.
nanay,
Father or dad, papa.
papa,
Or tatay.
tatay,
Sibling, igsuon.
igsuon,
Big sister, ate.
ate,
Or manang.
manang,
Big brother, kuya.
kuya,
Or manong.
manong,
Little sister, inday.
inday,
Or day.
day,
Little brother, dodong.
dodong,
Or dong.
dong,
Younger sibling, manghod.
manghod,
Youngest sibling, kinamanghuran.
kinamanghuran,
Older sibling, magulang.
magulang,
Oldest sibling, kinamagwangan.
kinamaguwangan.
Now, let's use some of the words we've learned in a sentence, okay?
Okay. How do I say I am the oldest sibling in Bisaya?
Ako ang kinamagwangan.
Ako ang kinamaguwangan. I am Savia's big brother.
Kuya ko ni Savia.
Kuya ko ni Savia. Savia is my younger sister.
Manghod nako si Savia.
Manghud nako si Savia. My mom has 2 siblings.
Naay duha ka igsuon ang akong mama.
Na ay duha ka igsuon ang akong mama. My mom is the youngest sibling.
Ang akong mama ang kinamanghuran.
Ang akong mama ang kinamanghuran. I love my family.
Gihigugma nako ang akong pamilya.
Gihugugma nako ang akong pamilya.
Well done, Zenon.
Salamat! Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe. Bye-bye!